Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 2 TDCI-125PS 330 Trend L2N1 needs turbo VAT inclusive. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 155,709. MOT, the 20th of February 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The oil light is also on solid. We suspect the oil pump needs replacing. That has damaged a turbo engine. Starts on the button and idles correctly. This should be straightforward repair. The engine is good. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, air con, cruise control, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,450 plus VAT.